Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and today's session it's a question and answer session, so stay tuned. If you are new to this channel, my name is Anastasia and my channel is all about traveling to explore the world and then share to the world. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you may be notified, and thank you so much for creating time for this channel. So stay tuned. So like I've mentioned, today's session it's a question and answer session, and these are some of the questions I have created which I felt it's good also to share to the world so that you may understand more about my channel. You may get more information about my channel. So without further ado, I'm going to start. My YouTube journey started in the year 2011. I wasn't that serious about YouTube. I didn't have more information about it, so I just created a channel and then I just forgot about it. So in the year 2018, that is the time again the YouTube thing came into my mind and I started uploading some videos. That time I was working with Emirates Airline in Dubai, and so I was doing a YouTube thing as a part-time, something for fun. I didn't have that much information, that much more detail about YouTube, so I was doing it for fun. So 2018 I started uploading some videos, and that time I was doing anything. I could upload a video about cooking, I could upload video about going somewhere. So I did not find a niche, like a specific thing to talk about, a specific product to talk about on my YouTube. Come 2020 I lost my job and then I relocated back to Kenya with my family. And then after that, I was still thinking about YouTube, but I was not thinking about it to give like let's say to make it like a big deal. So I was still doing some videos, and it was a on and off thing. I would upload a video, let's say today, and then I'll take like a month to upload something else. So it was just something, it was just an hobby for me, doing a YouTube thing. So come 2021, I was working, and then again I decided to leave my job. That is 2021 in December. That is the time I took YouTube thing serious. I started to learn more about YouTube. How can I grow in my YouTube? How can I make money in my YouTube? So I started to learn more what I didn't know about YouTube, so that I may consider it as just like a job. I was looking forward to self-employment. So I considered the YouTube thing to be my main thing. So in 2021 in December, come today, that is the time I started taking a serious step with the YouTube thing. Yes, YouTube is my full-time employment. However, I would say 80% of my time, my energy goes to YouTube, and then 20% of my time I have some other stuffs I do, but all it's a self-employment. Yes, the reason why I decided to take this step is I'm a mom and also I'm a wife, so I wanted to create more time with my family, whereby I can just create a schedule for myself. So that's why I was fighting so hard to make this thing be successful. That is the YouTube thing, and the 20% of what I'm doing be successful. So at the moment I'm doing YouTube, and then I'm also doing let's say I'm an entrepreneur, so YouTube and also some other stuff, which I'm going to showcase in near future. What apart from YouTube, what else do I do? Yeah. Yes, my channel is all about traveling to explore the world and then share to the world. So in most cases you'll find me talking more than going out. So when I say talking more, I'm talking more about anything related to traveling. Let's say you want to go to Mombasa and it's your first time to be in Mombasa. So in this case, I'm going to talk more about this country. What are some of the places you are going to visit? What are kind of food you are going to eat there? How is the weather? What should you carry when you are going there? So my channel is all about giving more information. This information, I know most people out there, they are looking forward to know before you go to this place. Yeah, so my channel is all about traveling, explore, and then share to the world. In most cases, I'll also visit some place with my family, with my kids. Let's say we have gone to Bomas of Kenya, and then we can still showcase that. We capture that moment and then showcase to the world. Oh yes, I do edit my videos, and I'm going just to tell you the whatever software I use. I use Filmora to edit my videos. I find it very okay with me. And also for the YouTube thumbnail, I use Canvas. I'm going to put everything down on the description. So for the YouTube thumbnail, I use Canvas, and for promoting my videos, everything, I'm using Tubies. Is it YouTube Tabby? Yeah, YouTube Tabby. For shooting my videos, I'm using my phone, but I'm planning to get a camera soon. But at the moment, I'm using my phone. So for editing, I use Filmora. For thumbnail, I use Canvas, and for the YouTube promotion, I use a YouTube Tabby. So yeah, I do edit my videos. I do experience some challenges, especially when I'm editing my videos. It takes a lot of time. Bear in mind, knowing that I'm a mom, I'm a wife, so I have to take care of my children, I have to take care of my family. So it takes too much time for me. In near future, I'm planning also to get an assistant who is going to help me to edit my videos. But at the moment, I'm the one who's editing them. So yeah, that is one of the challenge I do experience. And the reason why I'm saying I want to take a camera, I want to get a camera, is because whenever you're using a phone, sometimes it doesn't deliver what exactly you want. So I just need to get a camera. So that is another challenge I do experience. But at the moment, I'm managing with everything. Yeah. So in near future, I'm going to get an assistant who is going to help me to edit my videos, because now I'm planning to be shooting like 3 videos per week. Yeah, I'm planning to shoot 3 videos per week. That is on Monday, you are going to be expecting a video from me, on Wednesday, and then on Friday. So yeah, that's why I need someone to help me out, because if I say I'm going to do it for myself, then I'm not going also to deliver for my family, and that is something I do consider: family and then my work. Yeah, so it has to be 50-50. Yes. My schedule, like I've mentioned, it's going to be like I'm planning to be uploading 3 videos per week. That is on Monday, Wednesday, and on Friday. Yeah, so I just need to be so more consistent on this. Especially now, my channel is monetized, so I need to be so consistent. And also, I just wanted to talk more about monetization. Monetization is when you reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about how I achieved this. So when I started my channel in 2011, I didn't have even the subscribers, anything at all. So my journey of gaining more subscribers began when I left my job in 2021 in December. That is the time I became more serious about my channel. So I gained my subscribers within my 1,000 subscribers, let's say my 900 subscribers within these 3 months. That is from January, February, and this March. And at the same time, I also achieved my watch hours and I got monetized. So my main reason for saying this is to motivate someone out there who is about to start a YouTube or anything, but you are about to start something. So the journey might be slow. So my word to you is to motivate you. Don't give up. Appreciate that small step. That small step you are going to make, just appreciate that. And also trust the process and pray. If you are Christian, like in myself, I'm a Christian. I pray so much. And I trust God does not disappoint. God is someone who listens to our prayers and answers our prayers in the right time. Look at my journey. I started my journey in 2011 and here we are 2022. That is the time my channel was monetized. So I did not give up. I didn't give up at all. And the YouTube journey, it's hectic. It needs more time. It needs more time, more energy, no giving up if you want to pursue. And I believe this happens to any other business out there. So please, if you are about to start something and you have passion about that, please don't give up. I know you are going to experience a lot of ups and downs, a lot of challenges, a lot of demotivation. Please, God gave you this idea with a good reason. And you are made for that. So look further, like give it some time, pray, and then just trust the process. Just trust the process. So if you want to know more about my channel, more about me, you can always reach me out in the comments. I'm going to respond back. And if you have more ideas or opportunities you want to share with me, please you can also comment below, then I'm going to respond. So thank you so much for your time. I hope this video has been helpful to you, and you are going to come back for more videos from me. So until then, stay blessed. Bye bye.